नमस्सर्वेभ्यः शुभमध्याह्नः स्वागतं सर्वेषां स्वागतम् अद्य मध्याह्ने शुभमध्याह्ने रविवासरे षष्ठः पाठः तस्य अनुवर्तनं कृदन्तानां पठनम् अस्माभिः किञ्चित् कृतम् उदाहरणान् स्वीकृत्य पठितवन्तः तत्र शत्रन्त्रस्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दानां द्वितीया विभक्तितः सप्तमी पर्यन्तं किञ्चित् अभ्यासं कृतवन्तः तत्र वयं किं ज्ञातवन्तः शत्रन्तस्त्रीलिङ्गरूपे नकारः कदा भवति पठन्ति इत्यत्र पठति इति लट् लकारे पठति इति अति इति यत्र अति इति यत्र अन्तक्रिया श्रूयते तत्र नकारः भवति पठति इत्यत्र पठन्ति इति शत्रन्तस्त्रीलिङ्गरूपं तथैव अग्रे अपि नकारः शृण्वन् पठामः पठन्ति पठन्त्यौ पठन्त्यः पठन्तीं पठन्त्यौ पठन्तीः पठन्त्या पठन्तीभ्यां पठन्तीभिः पठन्त्यै पठन्तीभ्यां पठन्तीभ्यः पठन्त्याः पठन्तीभ्यां पठन्तीभ्यः पठन्त्याः पठन्त्योः पठन्तीनां पठन्त्यां पठन्त्योः पठन्तीषु हे पठन्ति हे पठन्त्यौ हे पठन्त्यः तो अत्र नकारः श्रूयते यदि शृणोति इति इत्येतस्य धातोः स्वीकारः कुर्मः तर्हि शृणोति इत्यत्र अति इति लट् लकारे नास्ति रूपः ओति इति अस्ति तत्र किं भवति शृण्वति शृण्वति इति नकारः न श्रूयते शृण्वति शृण्वत्यौ शृण्वत्यः शृण्वतीं शृण्वत्यौ शृण्वतीः शृण्वत्या शृण्वतीभ्याम् इत्येवं नकारः नास्ति अन्यत् सर्वं समानरीत्या चलति तत्र एवम् अस्तु वा तु एवमेव कुत्र अन्य केचन धातूनामपि ज्ञानम् अस्माभिः प्राप्तम् अस्तु नाम इदानीम् अग्रे गमिष्यामः अभ्यासः अधस्तनशब्दानाम् आफ् द वर्ड्स् गिवन् बिलो सूचितविभक्तिसम्बद्धानि indicated thing related to the declension case ekavachanantani rupani likata write the as per the directive in the indicated vibhakti write the ekavachana rupa and you have to write both the shatranta and its visheshya so shatranta is the visheshana and its visheshya for example they have given pibanti sita who is drinking okay jalam pibanti sita so chaturthi vibhaktau katham bhavati tat पिबन्त्यै सीतायै इति परिवर्तितं भवति एकवचने एव प्रथमा विभक्तौ एकवचने दत्तमस्ति शत्रन्त रूपं तस्य एकवचने एव विभक्ति विपर्ययं कृत्वा चतुर्थ्यां पिबन्त्यै सीतायै इति यथा अत्र पठन्त्यै इति अस्ति अत्र अस्माभिः किं कर्तव्यं नकारः अस्ति वा न वा इति एकवारं द्रष्टव्यं कथं ज्ञायते एतस्य एव धातोः लट्लकारे प्रथमपुरुष एकवचने किं रूपं भवति इति यदि जानीमः तर्हि तत् कर्तुं शक्नुमः स्खलति स्खलति अकारः अस्ति सो नकारः भवति अत्र तु दृश्यते एव प्रथमा एकवचने दत्तमस्ति शत्रन्तरूपम् इति स्त्रियां तत्र नकारः अस्ति नास्ति इति दृश्यते एव तत्र महान् क्लेशः नास्ति परन्तु सामान्यतया तस्य ज्ञानं स्यात् अस्माकं मस्तिष्के एवम् अग्रे सरामः ये उत्तरं दातुम् इच्छन्ति ते अन्म्यूट् कृत्वा वक्तुं शक्नुवन्ति ये म्यूट् एव स्थापयित्वा गृहे अपि प्रयत्नं कुर्वन्तु मुखेन वदन्तु उत्तरं तदनन्तरम् उद्घाटयित्वा सम्यक् वा न वा इति पश्यामः यथा अभ्यासः भवेत् अस्माकं पिबन्ती सीता इत्यस्य पिबन्त्यै सीतायै इति तथैव स्खलन्ती वृद्धा इत्यस्य सप्तमी विभक्तौ किं
स्खलन्त्यां वृद्धाषु आसु
वृद्धासु
वृद्धायां
वृद्धायां स्खलन्त्यां वृद्धायां.
Yeah.
So in the old lady who is in the falling, literal what I call butler translation. Okay. परिशीलयन्ती अध्यापिका पंचम्यां.
परिशीलयन्त्याः अध्यापिकायाः
सम्यक्. परिशीलयन्त्याः पंचम्यं. परिशीलयन्त्याः अध्यापिकायाः. वा अत्र किम् अस्ति? स्खलन्ती इत्यत्र ईकारान्तस्त्रीलिङ्गपदं, वृद्धा इत्यस्य आकारान्तस्त्रीलिङ्गपदं किञ्चित् भिन्नरीत्या श्रूयते. तत्तु जानीमः. अत्र अन्त्याम् इति, तत्र याम् इत्येव, आयाम् इत्येव. अन्त्याम् आयाम् इति व्यत्यासः. अत्रापि अन्त्याः आयाः इत्यादि. ईकारान्तस्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दस्य शत्रन्त डिक्लेन्शन्. आकारान्त वा ईकारान्त वा किं भवति तद् विशेष्यस्य इति दृष्ट्वा तस्य परिवर्तनं करणीयम् अस्माभिः. एवं वा? जस्ट डोंट ब्लाइंडली कॉपी द एंडिंग्स. लुक एट दिस एज नदी शब्द एंड लुक एट दिस एज व्हाट एवर द करस्पॉन्डिंग शब्द. ओके. इच्छन्ती शारदा षष्ठी.
शारदायाः.
सम्यक्, सुलभम्. इच्छन्त्याः शारदायाः. पंचमी वदेव श्रूयते. तत्र भिन्नत्वं नास्ति. वाक्ये कथं स्थितम् इति दृष्ट्वा तस्य पंचमी वा षष्ठी वा इति निर्धारः करणीयः अस्माभिः. रूपभेदः नास्ति. प्रथमा विभक्तौ द्वितीया विभक्तौ बहुवचने एकवचने द्विवचने च समानरूपं, बहुवचने परन्तु षष्ट्यां द्विवचने अपि भिन्नं. पठन्त्योः इति. बट you know, first two dvivachanas are same, next three dvivachanas are same, next two dvivachanas are same. In fact, first three we should say including sambodhana. So lots of duplicates in dvivachana we have to look out. Hasanti matamahi saptami.
सन्त्यां मातामह्यां.
Mahyam. Some of you, when you answer, you are eating up the pronunciation towards the end. In Sanskritam, don't do that because we won't even know. Everything hinges on the last few letters. The pratyaya is where a lot of extraction is required by our brain. So please don't eat up your pronunciation towards the end. Sanskrit is not tolerating that kind of reduction of volume. Okay, you have to keep the volume up till the full pronunciation. Hasanti matamahi, hasantyam matamahyam. So in the grandmother who is laughing, upon the grandmother who is laughing. I mean, of course, this is probably this kind of thing is possible in two senses. One in the Sati Saptami sense, another in Adhikarana sense. For example, Adhikarana sense, let me give a Vakya. Hasantyam matamahyam mama pritihi asti. My priti exists on the matamahi who is laughing. Okay, that is the Adhikarana style. Other one is, for example, Hasantyam matamahyam satyam sarve janaah kupitaah abhavan. Upon the matamahi laughing, everybody, so conditioned upon her laughter, everybody became angry. Some weird situation, I'm just explaining, that's all. Okay, patanti petika, tritiya vibhakti.
पतन्त्या पेटिकया.
Petikaya. Patantya petikaya. By the falling suitcase or whatever. Okay, by the falling suitcase, petikaya. Sthapayanti vaidya.
स्थापयन्त्यै
Vaidyayai. Correct. Vaidyayai. Chaturthi, I failed to say that. So sthapayantyai vaidyayai sitayai. Okay. Sthapayantyai vaidyayai. Samyak uktam. Sprishanti putri tritiya vibhakti. Sprishantya putrya. Both are ikarantas, so there is a duplication of the ending. Sprishantya putrya. Okay, Sprishantya putrya. By the daughter who is touching. ओके अवतरन्ती धेनुः तृतीया
अवतरन्त्या
धेन्वा अवतरन्त्या धेन्वा
धेन्यः
धेन्वा
अवतरन्त्या
भगिनी
धेन्वा
भगिनी has attempted correctly I think धेन्वा धेनु शब्द उकारांत स्त्रीलिंग so avatarantya धेन्वा by the cow which is avatarantya means avatara which is taking avatara like Nandini that kind of Mahadenu by the cow that is taking avatara. Or if it is coming down from a hill also you can kind of use it. Why not? Okay. Nrityanti pautri chaturthi.
नृत्यन्त्यै पौत्र्यै
पौत्री
Again ikaranta. So luckily tracks. Okay. Nrityantyai pautriai. So patantyai nrityantyai. Okay. Nrityantyai pautriai. Easy one. So that is to the daughter pautri na, so the granddaughter, to the granddaughter who is dancing. Okay, that is the sense here. Ganayanti adhikarini shashti.
गणयन्त्यायाः अधिकारिण्याः
अधिकारिण्याः
गणयन्त्याः
अधिकारिणयाः
ऋणयाः नो ऋण्याः
याः
पुनः पृच्छतु भगिनि.
गणयन्त्याः अधिकारिण्याः
सम्यक् उक्तं. तत्र विभागः न करणीयः. ऋण्याः इत्येव संयुक्ताक्षरं सम्यक् वक्तव्यं. गणयन्त्याः अधिकारिण्याः. So of the lady superior, okay, some adhikari, somebody who holds some administrative role, so or some rule. So of the lady leader or something who is counting. Okay, counting. What she's counting, maybe the votes. So adastana shabdanam bahuvachana rupani likhata something. Okay, so I have blanked it off, so I don't know. So udaharanam nayantim.
महोदय अधिकारिण्यः सम्यक् अस्ति वा?
अधिकारिण्यः प्रथमा बहुवचने अधिकारिण्यः इति भवति. अस्तु वा? तदेव भगिनी. Why did I have the red box? Exactly for your doubt today, I have that red box.
Yes.
Okay.
धन्यवादः.
I anticipated that. Okay. Okay. So, udaharanam nayantim anuvaidhyam nayantihi anuvaidhyaha. So here the vibhakti has to be understood by us and we have to go to the bahuvachana form. Of course, we have to check the ending and decline the bahuvachana carefully, but should become not too difficult going from eka to bahu. So nayantim anuvaidhyam is dvitiya vibhakti. It will be nice for you to recognize. So it is patantim, nayantim. So to the deputy doctor who is taking something. Okay, that's what I can infer from this anuvaidya. Okay, so nayantihi anuvaidyaha, to the many doctors, lady doctors who are taking something. Okay, so that's the one example in dvitiya vibhakti they have given. So we have to do it in other vibhaktis. We have to identify the vibhakti if possible. Some places they have given because there can be confusion between Panchami, Shashti they have given. Otherwise, they have not given. Prahavantyai nadyai.
चतुर्थी विभक्ति बहुवचनम् अस्ति. प्रथमा एकवचनम् अस्ति. प्रवहन्त्याः प्रवहन्त्यै.
Chaturthi bahuvachana.
बहुवचन correct.
4.3. Okay, so pravahantibhyah nadibhyah 4.3. Nirvahantyah bhaginyah shashtau.
निर्वहन्तीनां भगिनीनां
Nirvahantinam dirgha. निर्वहन्तीनां भगिनीनां
भगिनीनां
भगिनी इत्यस्यापि इनि ईकारान्तः निर्वहन्तीनां भगिनीनां डबल नकार comes carefully note that षष्ठी बहुवचन निर्वहन्तीनां भगिनीनां of the many sisters who were taking the responsibility of some activity. They're always taking for us, so this is a proper phrase. Okay, smarantya shikshikaya. What vibhakti? First of all, what vibhakti?
तृतीया
Tritiya vibhakti.
Tritiya.
By the
Tritiya.
lady teacher who is remembering. So how do you do bhavachana?
स्मरन्तीभिः
स्मरन्तीभिः शिक्षिकाभिः
शिक्षिकाभिः. Don't do शिक्षिकीभिः. शिक्षिकाभिः.
शिक्षिकाभिः
आकारान्त
sorry.
स्त्रीलिङ्ग. Okay, शिक्षिका इति. स्मर अयो I have a spelling mistake there. स्मरन्तीभिः शिक्षिकाभिः. Let me see if I can correct. In future I have to correct this. Ramantibihi I have written as if okay. 1 minute. Sorry, you didn't see the answer, so please forget the answer. Okay. Rakshanti Mata.
रक्षन्त्यः
भक्ति एकवचनं
माता is
मातरः
रक्षन्त्यः मातरः
Very good.
मातरः.
Matri Shabda, no?
Matarah,
Mata,
matarah.
Matarau,
मातरः
Matarah. Pita,
Matarah.
Pitarau, Pitarah. Brata, Bratarau, Bratarah. That kind of Shabda. Okay. Bratru, Matru, Pitru. Mata, Matru and Pitru Shabda vary in only one position. If you carefully notice the table, though Pitru Shabda runs in Pullinga and Matru Shabda in Strilinga, they almost are copycats except in one position. If you notice which position, it will be nice to learn that. It will be Dvitiya
द्वितीय
Bahuvachana.
बहुवचनं
Dvitiya Bahuvachana only. Okay. So Rakshanti Mata, Rakshantyah Matarah. Well done. Declension
even
of Makar.
pati shabd is quite different. Pati.
Pati is also very different. He is always a troublesome fellow. Srijantyam
You understood
Devya.
the fact.
सृजन्तीषु
Madam, I have seen enough samsara to know my problems. Srijantyam Devyam.
सृजन्तीषु
Devishu.
सप्तमी बहु
द्वितीया विभक्ति
Devishu. Very good.
सृजतीषु
One gentleman got his word in amongst the ladies. So Srujantishu Devishu. Okay. Saptami Bahuvachana.
Oh.
Amidst the goddesses who were creating something. Kopayantya Sakhya. What vibhakti?
तृतीय
Tritiya.
By the friend, lady friend, who was becoming angry. Continue to Bahuvachana.
कोप्यन्तीभिः
कोपयन्तीभिः
Hmm.
कोपयन्तीभिः I think
What is
not
happening to
कोप्य.
Sakhya?
No, ekvachanam.
Kopa-
Ekvachanam.
सखीभिः
Sakhibihi.
No, we are
Well done.
Sakhibihi,
Sakhi Shabda Sakhibihi. Okay. So Kopayantibihi Sakhibihi.
सखीभिः
Tritiya Bahuvachana. Kopayantibihi Sakhibihi. By the many lady friends or Sakhis who were becoming angry, who were being angry. Something like that. Suchayantyaha Nirvahikayaha Panchamyam.
सूचयन्तीनां
निर्वाहिकाभ्य
निर्वाहिकाभ्यः. Well done, Mahodaya. Suchayantibhyah Nirvahikabhyah. Okay. Suchayantibhyah Nirvahikabhyah. Panchami Bahuvachana. Now, why do I have the green highlight? You guys would have noticed.
Yes,
See,
Shrunoti.
No nakara.
Irregular
No
verb.
nakara. No nakara.
Irregular verb.
irregular verbs all verbs.
For Shatranta, we have to be cautious. Shrunvatyai Mantrinyai. What vibhakti?
चतुर्थी
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi. So how does it decline?
शृण्वतिभ्यः मन्त्रिणीभ्यः
मन्त्रिणीभ्यः. Bagini did correct. Nakara. She didn't miss the nakara. Mantrinyai mantrinibhyah. Okay. So shrunvatibhyah mantrinibhyah. Okay. By sorry, for the sake of the mantrinis who were listening. No, this mantrini, don't take it as mantrika, that one. It is just who is a lady thinker, an advisor thinker for somebody. Okay, mantrini. Mantralocanam kartum shakta mantrini iti. Ikaranta strilinga shabda. Alankurvatyam vadhvam. What vibhakti?
Chaturthi.
Saptami.
Saptami.
Saptami. There is a
Saptami.
bindu, anuswara bindu. Myam. Okay. It's a bindu which is almost mass, so I can understand Bhagini's confusion. So alankurvatyam vadhvam. How does it go to bahuvachan? Vadhushu. Very good. Alankurvatishu vadhushu. Very good. Tishu dhushu. Okay. Alankurvatishu vadhushu. Amidst the Chandra Bhagini, please, you are unmuted, so if you can avoid side talk, that will help us. So vadhushu is amongst the many brides who were dressing. So some kind of samuhika something happening, I think. Some samuhika vivaha, some such context only this can happen. Okay, vadhu simply in Sanskritam means three, guys. Okay, so we extend it in our rudhi to mean a bride, which also how I translated it. It is can be a normal three also. Astu. Janatyaha vidyarthinyaha. What vibhakti? Panchami. They have already given.
given Panchami.
We have to go to Bahuvachana.
Janatibhyah vidyarthinibhyah.
Vidyarthinibhyah. Okay. Janatibhyah vidyarthinibhyah. So here no nakara, but here nibhyah will come. Okay, well done. So I think you guys have done that. So one more. Again to help, we have the reference here. Okay. Avarane dattanam shabdanam uchitaihi rupaihi riktasthalani purayata. So you fill the empty space using proper form. They have given a suggestion. Of course, the suggestion is generally in Prathama Vibhakti, looks like. Okay. So in some places they have given Bahu, some probably they have given the correct Vachana. We have to still look out. If the Vachana is not correct, we have to correct it. What we have to do is what is needed, we have to fill correctly. So one example, Shlokam patantihi balikaha aham ahvayami. So these balikas are the karmapada for ahvana. Aham is the karta. Once aham has become karta, there is no place for balikas to become karta. So they are actually karma, and their karmatva is for the ahvana kriya. Okay, and my kartrutva is due to the ahvana kriya again. We are all linked to the ahvana kriya. So kidrishaha balikaha patantihi balikaha. Shlokam is the karmapada for shloka is the karmapada for patana kriya. So shlokam patantihi balikaha aham ahvayami. Okay. So the karmapada of the pat dhatu, shloka is in dvitiya, but the patantihi balikaha also are in dvitiya because they in turn take karmatva for the ahvana kriya. Look at this sentence stacking, guys. Notice this grammar. Okay. It's very native to us in our mother tongues and we don't think twice about it. But in Sanskritam, we have to, because we are learning as adults, not from childhood, we have to notice these things and internalize. Okay. All right.
But they are in plural, no, sir?
Plural, because balikaha is in plural, and that's why even in fact Prathama Vibhakti form they have given plural. Patantyaha. Dash harinim Ramaha anusrutavan.
Dhavanti.
Dhavantim harinim.
Dhavantim harinim. The running deer as an object, Rama as the subject, he followed. I am making extended grammatically tagged English sentences just to help us. Trinani dash denuhu gopalaha rakshati charantyah.
Charantyau.
Charantihi.
Charantihi. Why Dvivachana Bhagini? धेनु
Is Dhenu
not
is
Dhenuhu.
Dvitiya Bahuvachana.
Dhenuhu, I thought.
चरन्तीः ओके
Hmm.
चरन्तीः धेनुः वेल डन सो
Okay.
Charantihi.
Ah.
Correct, correct.
डैश परीक्षायाः तस्याः भीतिः तस्याः इज षष्ठी एकवचन ऑफ हर ओके परीक्षायाः तस्याः भीतिः परीक्षायाः इज इन पंचमी बिकॉज भीतिः generates panchami in the cause of the bhiti.
Bhiti is Panchami, na sir.
No, bhiti is just fear, is a ktanta. Okay, so parikshayah bhiti.
It is not applied to the vibhakti.
From the pariksha, the bhiti. Okay, panchami. Okay. So from the pariksha,
So it will be
from the what pariksha, we have to put it in panchami now. Agachanti.
आगच्छन्त्याः
परीक्षा
आने वाले परीक्षा से उसे ये है
हाँ आने वाले परीक्षा से इसका
उसे डर है
डर है हाँ? हिंदी में भी समान विभक्ति प्रयोग है देखो हाँ? आने वाले परीक्षा से पंचमी ओके
से
इसकी इसकी उसकी हाँ? षष्ठी ओके
Dhenu is three, no sir? Dhenu?
Oh, you are going to the previous sentence. Dhenu better be Strilinga, madam.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, see, look, I have the highlight here about Panchami. Okay, because it is, I mean, while we are learning all this Shatranta, it's good to keep going back and asserting our old knowledge. The words denoting the cause of fear used with verbs expressing fear are in ablative case. Harinaha Vyagrat Bhibeti. The deer is afraid of tiger. Vyagrat is in ablative case. Our good old Pravesha text. हाँ शिरोवेदनां डैश वार्ताभ्यः सह जुगुप्सते जनयन्त्यः हाँ जनयन्तीभ्यः so one is a panchami form janayantibhyah so okay शिरोवेदनां जनयन्तीभ्यः वार्ताभ्यः from the news many newses okay in English it's a confusing word language so I will use newses our Indian English from the many newses which are generating the headache or many headaches or one headache Shirovedana one headache he became disgusted Jugupsa is disgust Jugupsate means he disgusts again our butler English he disgusts see how we can extend English into Sanskritam grammar okay
sir is it Chaturthi or Panchami? I think it is Chaturthi.
Jugupsa does it generate Chaturthi is the question no ablative case
yeah
no Panchami only from no from
the Varta he
not
is
for the sake
distressed.
of see if Chaturthi would be proper if it was for the sake of the Varta he Jugupsa see he is from the Varta he has Jugupsa like that okay.
Astu.
But unfortunately both Chaturthi and Panchami have the same form so looking at the answer in the book won't teach us I am making the assumption that it is a Panchami vibhakti here okay Sahodarasya vachanam dash shobaya uchchaihi hasitam shrunvati shobaya so tritiya
Shrunvatya.
In fact we have to just notice the visheshana and finish but I am going little beyond so that we get some knowledge that's all sahodarasya vachanam shrunvatya so shravana kriyayah karma pada asti vachanam iti kasya vachanam iti shashtyam sahodarasya iti sambaddha padam tatra vachanena saha sambaddham sahodarasya vachanam iti karmam shrunvatya by the one who heard by the lady who heard by shobaya uchchaihi hasitam visheshana kriya visheshana adverb uchchaihi hasitam loudly it was laughed okay and Hasana kriya is akarmaka. So it is in napumsaka. Hasitam iti. Okay. That's why Shobhaya is in Tritiya as the Karta in Tritiya, because it's a Karmani Vakya in Kta Pratyayanta. Okay, Hasitam iti. See, notice all these things. Okay, whatever we can remember, it will be nice to pop up all those characteristics in our brain. Okay, and another thing to notice, Shrunvati is Nakaranta Rahita because Shrunoti Oti. So that's why Shrunvati, that's why Shrunvatya, no Nakara. Another thing to notice. That's what I have highlighted in green here. Okay. Dheergha vakyam dash thabihi doshah krutah likhantyah.
Likitabihi.
Likhitabihi va
लिखन्ति
हाँ,
likantibihi.
लिखन्ति
You cannot drop the nakara.
लिखन्तीभिः
Likantibihi.
लिखन्ति
Here, patantibihi. Okay. So likantibihi.
तृतीय
Tritiya bahuvachan.
तृतीय बहुवचनं
Well done. Actually, I have already popped it, but some places like Mohodaya, we need to inspect whether I am judging the vibhakti correctly. I am making my own judgments there. Okay. Dash mahilayaha manaha shuddham asti upavishanti. So mahilayaha is what vibhakti?
Sixth, fifth of the sixth.
Shashti. Because manaha is the possession of the
आम्
mahila.
इति षष्टि षष्टि
Shashti.
तो महिलायाः मन महिला का मन
हाँ महिला का मन षष्टि ekavachana.
षष्टि
So what is the upavishanti goes to?
Upavishantyah.
Upavishantyah mahilayaha manaha shubdam asti. So the of the lady of the one sitting, the mind is pure. Good. Upavishantyah mahilayaha manaha shubdam asti. So like this, guys, lot more examples. So let's quickly walk through now. I won't go to full rocket analysis of the sentence. Dash vidyarthininam. Okay, nrityatah shashti bahuvachane.
नृत्यन्तीनां
नृत्यन्तीनां
Nrityantinam. Very good. Nrityantinam.
षष्टि
And you
बहुवचनं
notice to put halanta makara. If you see swara here, if you see vyanjana, put the bindu. Okay, that much you do. Okay. But if you put the halanta makara always, it's not incorrect. Okay. The native form of the word is with halanta makara. And optional, sandhis are optional. If you remember, sandhi vivaksha adharita. So, if our vivaksha is not to do the sandhi, we can leave the halanta makara. Okay. So, that's some advice for you. Okay. Marge dash anujayai kandukam na dadatu kridanti. For the sake of the playing lady who is for the sake of the sister. Double for the sake I am putting because both are in Chaturthi. Swagriham dash prativeshinibhyah mata kunkumam dattavati gachantyah. Gacchantibhyah. Okay, easy one. Gacchantibhyah, because both are ikaranta. So to the going invited ladies. Prativeshi is one who has come. Okay. So Swagriham gacchantibhyah prativeshinibhyah. The invited ladies who were going home. Mother gave the kunkum. So this is our Indian paddhati as we know, no? So that one. In the south, we offer the kunkum and they take it themselves. In north, they actually put it. I so love the variations we have. In the north, they actually put it themselves.
Even in Telugu, Andhra,
they put it. And in south,
they take.
Yes. In south, we put it here in the netti, and in the north, they put it in this portion.
Chindur.
Yeah, Sindur, yeah. Nice. Asatyam dash tasyam mama vishwasah nasti. Kathayanti. Kathayantyam. So, in her, in the one who is telling the untruth, karmapada for kathana, okay, my confidence is not there. Okay, so who is the karta in this sentence?
One who is not telling the truth.
No. My question.
Aham.
Mama.
No,
Mama.
no. For
No,
the
no.
Vakya, you have to tell.
Not
Satyam.
the Vakya, the one who is not telling.
Mama then.
No. Who is the karta
Mama
of the as
is
dhatu? Who is the karta of the as dhatu?
The one who is not
Tasya.
telling it.
Uh,
Tasya.
Vishwasaha.
Vishwasaha.
Vishwasaha is the karta of the as dhatu, guys. You have to start recognizing these things.
oh yeah
See,
yeah.
Vishwasaha asti, Vishwasaha nasti is the primary karta and dhatu pair. Whose Vishwasa? My Vishwasa. So the karta is transferred to Vishwasa going into as dhatu. And it is my Vishwasa. I am not the karta. My Vishwasa is the karta of the as dhatu. My Vishwasa is not there. I am there or not there is not being told. My Vishwasa, my confidence, is not there. Okay, confidence is the karta. So please start understanding that in a sentence. Okay, that Patham dash tasu bhumika vruddhamati buddhimati. So smarantyah tasu. Smarantyah goes to
Smarantishu.
Smarantishu tasu. Okay.
Smarantishu.
So smarantishu tasu, upon those who are remembering, those ladies who are remembering, amidst those ladies who are remembering, what remembering? Patham remembering, bhumika buddhimati. Okay, what is this bhumika buddhimati? Okay, the amongst these ladies who are reading, the girl by the name Bhumika is the smart one. Okay,
Oh,
don't
I
take
see.
this in some Adhyatmika Vedanta
Oh.
sense. Okay, just this is very literal. The girl by the name Bhumika is smart. That's all it's saying.
Okay.
Adhyapika Uttaram dash Vidyarthinihi Prishtavati Janatyah.
Janatihi.
Janatihi. No nakara.
Janatihi.
Janati iti lat lakare, ati iti, janatyah iti dvitiya vibhaktau. Okay, janati iti pratamayam. Janati, janatyau, janatyah iti pratamayam. Janatim, janatyau, janatyah iti dvitiyayam. Dvitiya bahuvachane janatyah iti bhavati eva. So janantihi iti bhavati. Kshama, janatihi iti bhavati. So janatyah iti yat pratamayam asit, janatihi iti bhavati. परिवर्तनम् एवम् अस्तु वा सो जानतीहि विद्यार्थिनीः so no nakara and switch over to dvitiya from tya to tihi. Okay, all right, so lot of things at play there. Karyam dash karmakarishu bhavatyah kopah anuchitah. Karmakarishu kurvatyah saptami bahuvachana.
Kurvatishu.
Kurvatishu. Again karoti oti, so no nakara. Kurvatishu. Kurvatishu karmakarishu. The green highlight is because of lack of nakara in my text. Okay. So, by you, the anger upon the workers who are doing their work is improper. Somebody is telling.
Oh, anuchitaha means improper, sir.
Is not proper, is not appropriate. An is a negation of uchita. Okay. Vartam dash karyakartribhi santoshaha anubhutah shrunvatyah goes with karyakartribhi.
Shrunvatibihi.
Bahuvachana shrunvatibihi patantibihi, but shrunvatibihi, no nakara here because of shrunoti. Shrunvatibihi green tea. Okay, karyakartribihi santoshaha anubhutah. Karyakartr shabda. Kartri shabda, kshamyatam, karyakartri shabda. So this is having stri pratyaya added to karyakartr.
The experience, sir, anubhuta.
Anubhutaha, santoshaha is a karmani. Okay, I don't know, I have dirgha here. Karmani should be short. Okay, anubhutaha was experienced. What was experienced? Santosha anubhutaha. By whom? By the workers, lady workers. Who are also listening to the news. Okay.
Okay.
Some increment news was announced, I think. Oops. Okay. This COVID times that has become a rarity. Okay. So we are finished with the Shatranta learning. I'm finished with the exercises. I am focusing a lot on the exercises in this class. So though it means spending a lot more time, skipping over them is easy for me, but it will be good for all our knowledges to keep improving. So we better do the exercises, even if it is samuhika. Okay, pada sangraha, not a great lot for me to do, as you know. You guys need to work on this. But let's look at the dhatus today. Pal, to protect. Okay, palayati, palyate, palayishyati, palayitavyam, palaniyam. See, yakara comes as part of the dhatu's normal form. Okay, not just in karmani nich palyate. So that yakara is already there. It double yakara becomes single yakara only. Palyate. So here this is because of the gana prakriya. This must be in the gana where yakara is generated as a vikriti. Okay, vikarana pratyaya. Okay, so protects, was protected, will protect, should be protected, was protected in kta. Okay, so on and so forth. He who became protected, he who protected, she who protected, while protecting, in the masculine, feminine, having protected, having completely protected. Okay, in order to protect. So these are all the meanings. Palayati, palyate, palayishyati, palayitavyam, palaniyam. We should not need the English or mother tongue after a while. It should become Sanskrit brain inferring the meaning. Okay. Palitaha, palita, palitam, palitavan, palitavati, palayan, palayanti, palayitva, apalya, palayitum. Pa, to protect. See, little difference, but this one is having different declensions and belongs to different gana. So that's why it doesn't have yakara. So pati, payate, pasyati, patavyam, paniyam. See here, this I don't know, some reflection coming. Wait a minute. I think Chandra Bhagini is again. Chandra Bhagini is very fond of unmuting, I think.
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. I keep trying to mute you. I think I must have muted you some 1000 times so far. Okay. So pa, to protect. I think this dhatu, I have to check whether it also has the sense of consumption also. Okay. So I have to check that, or whether there is a variant dhatu that has this same sense pati. Okay. Let's check that later separately. Okay. Then push, to look after. Okay, pushnati, poshana, we know poshana. Generally, we will know the infinitive forms in our mother tongues. Like in Kannada, we use poshana. We don't use any of the forms, but poshana we use a lot. Okay, so that's infinitive form is that kridanta which generates, that is, I think, lut or something like that. That one is most commonly used in all languages. Pui, to purify. Okay, punati. Okay, pavitra comes from this. I think. Okay, then pri, to please. Preeti, pranaya, all those things come from this. Okay, pri, to please. So pal, pa, push, pui, pri. See here, these things sometimes they have given this extra one, though sometimes the itaksharas may be there. I don't know why. Okay, maybe
Sir,
this is not. Yes. Mahodaya.
Sir, one small suggestion. For example, like you put PAL, and you also explained, to protect, to buy, protect, all that. At least for one dhatu, can you put it in English? How you put the answer for others? So that,
sir, Mahodaya,
that will be a reference.
I draw your attention. I draw your attention to the first chapter, the same dhatu set section. Okay, Sanskrit Bharati has anticipated your need, and in the first chapter, let me just go there quickly.
Got it.
What they have done?
Got it, sir. It is in.
They have done that for the
Karhati,
first dhatu.
Karhati and all that is.
For the first dhatu, they have done it very detailed in Padasangraha. For example, they have taken garh dhatu and explained fully. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Page 8.
So page 8. If you go, no. So the same thing you have to do for all the dhatus basically. The forms are given, but you have to write the English and one sample sentence. That is what we have to do in our scrapbook.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, for Tibeti also pa dhatu, no, sir?
That's what I was telling, madam. We have to check
Sir?
whether it's pib, some slight variant dhatu may be there.
Yes, sir. For pa dhatu in bhavadi gana it is piba meaning, pibati meaning. And pa in adadi gana it is rakshana.
Pati protects. Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. So here the Adadi Gana one is chosen, but it could have been other Gana.
Pane is bhati. Pa pane is bhwadi to drink, and pa rakshane is adadigan for to protect.
Badi is the first Gana. Yeah, Bhu Adi, first Gana. Very good.
This is like Pahimam, is it? Protect.
Very, 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 very good. Pahimam is from this Dhatu. Correct. So if you go to the ashtadhyayi.com, look for this Pa Dhatu and its tables, you will see Pahi somewhere. Okay, in some Lakara. Maybe in Lot. Who knows? So you guys can form some sentences. These pictures are only for your grandkids to stop and watch. Okay, not for our own enjoyment. Prahelika. Pujayam kim padam proktam kim va purushavachakam ka ayudha ayudhataya khyatah pralambasura vidvishaha. Okay, last one is a little tough, but anyway, first few are easy at least. Pujayam kim padam proktam. In the meaning of puja, or in the sense of puja, or in puja, it can be any number of things. In puja, which word is told? Okay, and kim va purusha vachakam. What instead is purusha vachakam, indicator of masculine or means a man, like that. Okay, ka ayudhataya khyatah. Okay, ayudha means instrument of war. Ayudhataya means as an instrument of war. Okay, khyatah, what is famous as a weapon, something like that. Okay. Why Balarama? Where is that coming from? Oh, okay, okay. Pralambasura vidvishaha. From that Balarama comes. Okay. Pralambasura vidvishaha. So the enemy of Pralambasura, his famous weapon is what? And if we knew our Puranas, I am so weak. Pralambasura's enemy happens to be Balarama, so they have put Balarama there in translation. Okay, so Balarama's weapon we know, famous, that one though. That one most of us know, right? What is the weapon of Balarama?
Halayudam.
Halayudam. Very good. Halayudam. Okay, hal. You see how the connection? Hal, we say halanta. Hal means that plow sign on the font that we use. This one, halanta makara. Hal. Halayuda is that of Pralambasura Vidvisha, which is Balarama. So we got hal as the answer for the second part. Very good. So perhaps hal is there in the second part. So pujayam kim padam proktam, which word is used in the sense of good? So in the, not in puja, in the sense of puja is taken. Okay, in the sense of goodness. Puja means something good. So in the sense of goodness, what word is told? Sushtu, su, something like that. Okay, something parasipali. Kim va purusha vachakam. So mard ka सूचक नाम पद क्या है? पुरुष ही है और कुछ हो सकता है.
नर.
Nara. Very good.
Nara.
Sunara hala. Sunara hal. I don't know now. So, but that halayudha may be the answer. Let us see. I will open now. I have also forgotten. Okay. Okay. Su is correct. Nara is Nazira. Okay. So Nara, our guess was go na. Okay. Na man. Nara na. Okay. Suna siraha. So not halayudha, but siraha is the other word available. So that's where we got sidetracked. Okay. All right. But at least we were half not bad. So Suna Siraha is the answer. Su being Sushtu, that much is okay. Nan for Nara, man. So you remember another place where Na came? Some 18 women and 1 man go and 17 women come back.
Vimshati.
Parichay, sir.
Vimshati.
Yes.
Ekona Vimshati. That one. That
Tiger
na.
ate one person, correct.
There also we encountered this na as a man.
Nah, exactly.
Balaramat Langhalam. Iti another verse we had seen, no? Langhalam. So the another word for Halayuda is Langhala also. So Siraha, Langhalam, Halayudaha, various names. Or Hal also can be used. So Sunasiraha in Kalpadruma. One of the. Bagini. Yes, Bagini, what's your question?
Pujayam kim padam proktam. Why is it translated as Pujayam kim padam proktam? Why is it translated as which is the word used in the sense of good actually?
See, Pujayam can be taken in two meanings, right? In a puja, which is like a puja in a process that we do daily archana, devarchana, etc. Okay, but even in devarchana, etc., we use the word su a lot, no? Okay, so nothing wrong taking that meaning also and coming with su, sushtu, su, etc. as a prefix form. But here the puja has two meanings. One is the meaning of conducting that ritual to the god or goddess. Another, what is puja means? Pujya means what? That which is worthy of puja, right? What it means is a good. Puja also means good. Okay, so in pujayam, in the sense of in goodness, in the sense of goodness, what word is told? Su is
Shuklam Bharadharam Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam. Su only, it starts from Su only. All
Shukla,
the pujas.
that is different. Shukla is white. Shuklam Bharadharam
That is
Vishnu.
Shu and this is Su.
This is Su. It's okay. Mahodaya recovered a nice stotra, no problem. Anybody knows a Su good stuti with Su?
Surya
Suhasini.
Surya is different. Surya has Su because of Surya. Okay, not Su.
Suvasinnye Namaha. In Lalita Sahasranamam comes.
Suvasinye. So to the goddess who smells great. Suvasinye.
I want to try, sir.
Try,
Kaushalya Supraja Ramapurva.
Supraja again.
Supraja, another one place where Su is used with Praja.
Subhasini.
One who is good for her citizens.
Sir, in Parichaya, Ramopi Paramodaraha Sumukkaha Sumahashaya. For Rama, it was
correct. Sumukkaha, Sumahashaya.
Sumangalye Namaha.
Sumangalye Namaha. So many places Su is used in the sense of adding good to something. Okay, very good.
Sir, I want to tell one. Suprabhatam.
Correct. Suprabhatam. Good morning.
Well done. There is enough Suhasini.
Okay, guys. Now we enjoyed that, but I think we'll keep moving. Okay, before somebody
Why
here.
It is Indira then? Indra. Suna Sirahas. Indra. What is
it is not Indira. It is Indra. Okay.
Indra.
See his name. One of the names for Indra is Sunasiraha.
Okay, sir.
Oh, okay.
One of the names for Indra is Sunasiraha. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Actually, they have just incidentally given that it means Indra. See, look here. Kalpadruma. Let us look at Kalpadruma. Sunasiraha Pullinga Shabdaha Sushtu Nasiram Agragami Sainyam Yasya. So, Bahuvrihi Samasaha. Sushtu Nasiram Agragami Sainyam Yasya. Of the fellow who is having a proper Nazira. Okay, agragami sainyam yasya. Okay, so sunazira. So we have to look up further meaning of nazira. So I guess man plow. Nazira means man plow. For example, in an army, the front attack portion is called nazira because they are like the tip of that halayuda of the army who attack the enemies, right? So they are like the sharp tip of the army. So the one whose army which moves forward with the man plow. That means a very strong masculine plow as the instrument tip. Sushtu, proper one, that of that fellow, and that kind of construction is available as a paryaya, sunaziraha paryaya for indraha, iti amaraha. So Amara Kosha has this. Okay, Amara Kosha will have this sunasiraha, indraha, etc. Okay, in one phrase. And the other meanings are devaha, yatha, bhagavate. Okay, it also means devaha in the Bhagavata. Okay, tato mingwa. So I don't want to go ahead. So they have actually given a quote. Okay, so some particular verse has been quoted in the Kalpadruma where the Suna Siraha is quoted as part of the verse. So they give an example. So this is the style of our ancient dictionaries. Kalpadruma is not very old. It's the last few centuries, but still it's a great dictionary. Okay. All right. So, I remembered in context because of the Siraha Langalam, this verse that we studied. Ramadhyachaya medinim dhanapater bijam langhalam bhalat langalam. So bhalal langalam preteshan mahisham tavasti vrishabah palam trishulam tava शक्ताहं तव चान्नदानकरणे स्कन्दोऽस्ति गोरक्षणे किन्नाहं हरभिक्षया कुरु कृषिं गौरी वचः पातु वः. This was a beautiful verse we had learned, right? May such a Gauri protect us who is telling Shiva, please take the land from Rama. Okay, Balarama, who is supposed to be, who have acquired all the land from the Dhanapati. Oh, Dhanapati is basically
Kubera.
Kubera. Correct. Kubera is supposed to be the protector of all richness and seeds. No, Bija. Take the seeds from Kubera. Take this Langala from Balarama. Okay, so that one is the other. Okay, Parashurama Medini, Balarama Langala. Okay, Preteshat Mahisham. From Yama, you take the Mahisha. Take away his Mahisha. You already have a Vrishaba as your own ride. So use those two animals and take a Palam attached to that Langala, the Palam, that sharp iron tip. Attach your Trishula. Okay, how nicely she is advising. Shaktaham tava channa dana karane. I am capable of cooking for you. So don't worry. Skanda is there for protecting the cows. So you don't worry about your cows also. I don't know what cows, but I guess if you had a Vrishaba, he would have had some cows also. Kinnaham hara bhikshaya. I am really sad by your approach of taking alms. Okay. Kuru krishim gauri iti. Do farming. Like
This had
okay, do
This
farming.
was Parichay, sir. It came in Parichay.
Parichay.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so let us do this Subhashitam. Kadartitasyapi hi dhairya vrittehe न शक्तये धैर्यगुणः प्रमार्ष्टुम् अधोमुखस्यापि कृतस्य वह्नेः नादः शिखायान्ति कदाचिदेव. पुनः पठामि. कदर्तितस्यापि हि धैर्यवृत्तेः. 1 second, I'll mute everyone. Some noise is coming through. Okay. कदर्थितस्यापि हि धैर्यवृत्तेः न शक्यते धैर्यगुणः प्रमार्ष्टुम् अधोमुखस्यापि कृतस्य वह्नेः नादः शिखायान्ति कदाचिदेव. Second part we'll try to understand first. Adhomukasya api. So adhomukasya is the one with the face down. Of the one with the face down, api also. Kritasya, one who has done so. Vanhehe, the flame, of the flame. Okay, all are in Shashti here. Na adaha, not below. Shikayanti, the head goes down. Kadachit eva, always. Okay, so even when you take a flame down, okay, its head doesn't go down, it keeps flaming up. So that has been taken by Kavi as the upama. With that upama, what he is explaining for us, कदर्तितस्यापि हि धैर्यवृत्तेः न शक्यते धैर्यगुणः प्रमार्ष्टुम्. In the same way that you cannot take the spirit of the fire to be up, okay, even by taking the stick down, the same way of the one who is having a dhairya vritti, one who is having enormous valor and resolve, of such a fellow, despite any blame, dushanam, kadartanam means dushanam, despite any blame you assign, you cannot remove his dhairya guna. That's why he is a dhairyavan. So that's the beautiful upama alankara given by the Kavi. The second half is the upama and the first one is upameya. Okay, so kadartitasyapi hi dhairya vrittehe na shakyate dhairya gunah pramarstrum adhomukasyapi kritasya vanhehe nadah yanti kadachideva. Now level. Okay, kadartitasya api hi. So kadartitasya api savarna dirgha kadartitasyapi. And then dhairya vrittehe as is na shakyate dhairya gunah pramarshtum. See, there is a repa, so pramarshtum. So remember to pronounce the repa. Okay, adhomukasya api. So here another savarna dirgha. Kritasya vanhehe na adaha nadaha, another savarna dirgha. Very easy one. 3 savarna dirghas only we have seen so far. Shikha yanti kadachit eva. Here there is a jashtva. Kadachit eva has become kadachid eva. Jastva and samyuktakshara. Jastva sandhi listed here. So okay, and shikha, shikaha yanti. So not very easy because we almost know shikha as one form. We may fail to notice this. Even I would fail 1 marks here if it is asked. No worries. Shikaha, it seems to be a lopa, visarga lopa. I didn't notice either. Okay. So it takes some time to know the actual form is shikaha. Okay. All right. So the courage of a brave man cannot be undone, however much he is slighted. Kadartana is slighting. That means by cutting, remarking wrongly, such thing is slighting. By playing down, these kind of things. Though pointing downwards, a flame of fire does not ever point to the ground. It roars up. Okay. So this meaning is easy, so you guys can take it. Now they are not going to give this for Anvaya, but Tatparya and Sandhi, such questions may come for Subhashitas. Okay, so that much will come. But they have given some kind of a rough Anvaya, not in the Akanksha Paddhati that they show in the regular Anvaya section. Kasya, Kutra, all those kind of things are not there, just straightforward Anvaya. This Anvaya order more favors the English, if you see. See, if you read the English, see, though slighted a brave man's courage cannot be undone, although pointed downwards, flame of fire. Okay, a little bit here, Butler order is there. Okay, we'll give it to them. Okay, so next, Subhashitam. Na guni guninam vetti, guni gunishu gusmatsari, guni cha gunaragi cha viralah saralojanah. Na guni guninam vetti, guni gunishu matsari, guni cha gunaragi cha viralah saralojanah. So na aguni na guni. So aguni is one without a guna. That means somebody who is bad. Okay. Oh, sorry, it looks like I ended up disabling the mic. Okay. So Chandravari, I have enabled your mic again. Please kindly keep muted until you need to say something. Yeah, I guess we are okay. All right. So na aguni na guni. Guninam. Of course, they have done the makara, halanta makara as an individual word. Veti knows. Veti knows. Vid veti. Okay. Vid jnane iti dhatu. Guni. So this is the proper guni. Aguni, guni, gunishu amongst the gunis. Matsari. Okay. One who has matsara. One who has irshya. Guni cha gunaragi cha. One who is good and lover of goodness. What a beautiful phrase. Cha viralaha saralaha janaha. Such a simple fellow is very rare. So he says simple, great actually. Okay, so let us take the meaning now. Na aguni guninam veti. So the one who is bereft of character, he does not know the one with character. That means he cannot distinguish the character in another person. He thinks he is having greatest character, so he fails to recognize the true character of another guni person. Okay, so it is not surprising that a characterless person fails to recognize character of another. There is no surprise there, right? That's why he is a guni. Guni gunishu matsari. One who does seem to have some good gunas. In this case, I won't take character as the translation because character means more, very large guna. So here I will take some kind of expertise. Okay. So for example, you very much recognize in our workplaces, if there is a smart fella who knows the job, okay, he tends to also having matsara for other gunis. He's a aguni when it comes to not having matsara for others. He's very competitive. Oh, I am the smart fellow. How can other fellow know? Like that. So gunishu matsari. That's also normal. One who knows something, he rarely has good feelings for another guni. He has matsara in him. In the case of aguni, he doesn't even know. In the case of guni, he knows, but he hates them. Hates them in the sense of matsara. Okay. Gunicha gunaragicha virala saralo janaha. This is very correct. So one who knows and also has the character to know the goodness in another, right? Such a person is very rare indeed. Okay. It is nice to say sarala by Kavi. Actually, I would disagree with the saralata there. Such people are actually great. They are not saralas, but sarala in a good sense. Okay, simple people who don't have all those attachment to their own goodness. Beautiful. Na guni guninam veti guni gunishu matsari guni cha gunaragi cha virala saralo janah. Na aguni naguni savarna dirgha sandhi saralaha janah visarga sandhi guna. Saralo janaha utva and guna. They said guna, but actually it is utva. There is no visarga sandhi called guna. Visarga sandhi plus guna sandhi. Okay, utva due to visarga sandhi and o due to guna. Okay.
So here I have a doubt here. In Visarga Sandhi, if you know Visarga, but if you write only Visarga in the exam, but you will not write Lopa and all, we will not get any marks, sir?
You will get half a marks.
Okay. Okay.
You write Visarga Sandhi, then if you don't put the correct marks, then, but if the question has do the Sandhi and name it, right? Then if you have done the Sandhi and named it only as Visarga Sandhi, generally the characters will be liberal and say, okay, give off 1 marks to you because at least you identified Visarga Sandhi. But they will like it when they say Visarga Sandhi and say Utva, like that. They see that. Okay. The category, there are 6 categories, I believe. So if you recognize the category of Visarga Sandhi, you are in good wicket. Okay. At least from this book, we should take away that much knowledge. Otherwise, why are we here, right?
Yes. Okay.
Veti vid jnane iti dhatuhu. Latlakare, lati, saptami ekavachana. Veda veti. Okay, alternates are there. Okay. Vidatuhu, vittaha, vidanti, viduhu. So this in Prathama ekavachana, it has double declension form. See, Veda vidatuhu vidanti. I don't know, it's because of different gana kriya or something, but anyway, I think it is the actual declensions of this in 2 alternative forms. Veda, tvamevam Veda. In so many Purusha Suktis and all that in Rigveda it comes, this Veda Shabda. That is actually Veti form only in Veda. Okay, Veti knows. Okay, he knows, like that. Or you know, this kind of things. Vidatuhu vittaha vidanti. Viduhu. But let us take this Veti vittaha viduhu as one set. Veda vidatuhu vidanti as another set. That's better to take that way. One who is not virtuous fails to appreciate the virtuous person. a virtuous man, oh, they have used virtue, beautiful. Virtuous man is envious of the virtuous. A simple man who is both virtuous and fond of virtues is rarely found. Nice Tatparya. I like it. Okay. Any questions further? Okay. Here, let's look at this Guni, Gunaragi, Matsari a little bit, what I have done. Guni ityatra gunaha sushtu dharmaha yasya asti saha. Gunaha yasya asti saha guni iti. Okay. The one who has this guna is Guni. Okay, and it is some kind of a Kridanta form, but we will not, I am not smart enough to recite that. Okay, it's not a Samasapada, it's some kind of a Kridanta generated stuff. Okay. Pratyayanta, let me not even commit Kridanta, because it could be Taddita also. I have to carefully check that. It may come from Guna into Guni. So Guna asya asti iti Guni, some kind of Tadditanta may be there. Okay. Guneshu ragaha atava icha yasya asti saha gunaragi. Guneshu, this is a Samasapada, no question, because Ragi is there. Ragi is coming from a probably a Tadditanta, ragaha yasya asti iti ragi. Kutra ragaha, guneshu ragaha asti iti gunaragi. So first there is a gunaragaha is a saptami tatpurusha, and then there is a tadditanta behavior. Matsari, matsaraha atava irshya yasya asti saha. One who has matsara or irshya is matsari. All of them have some kind of a pratyayanta which we need to learn over time. All right, I think with that we have come to our allotted time and excess time, over time, all that. So I won't score any more goals for you. So let's start next weekend, Saturday, with this Kavya Katha. So I will invite a couple of you to read it for us, and then we'll keep moving. Not bad. We are at the 9th slide, which is good speed. So Godspeed to you guys with your pursuit of Sanskritam knowledge. Let's end with a prayer. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavada.
धन्यवादः पुनर्मिलामः
धन्यवाद महोदय.
हरि ओम सर.
Namaste.